Our patent-pending base fret shield gives you total fretboard protection when performing fretwork such as polishing, leveling, and crowning on any base with a 34-inch fret scale up to 24 frets. Say no to blue tape and save time and money with this reusable design that goes on in seconds, fully protects without damaging the fretboard, and lasts hundreds of fret jobs. Our high-quality stainless steel is the perfect thickness at 0.08 of an inch or 0.20 millimeters. We use a precision manufacturing process free of burrs and leaves all edges smooth and rounded so it protects the fretboard without damaging it. The taper design has slot sizes that fits all fret sizes from narrow to jumbo found on 4- and 5-string bass guitars with up to 24 frets. Our innovative form drop-down edges allow the rubber bands we include to hold the fret shield in place securely and keep the bands below the top surface to avoid damaging them during the polishing process. We have designed 8 tabs along one edge and 7 tabs along the other edge to accommodate the most common bass body designs. Connect the rubber band of the 8th tab diagonally to the 7th tab of the opposite side. The bands help form the shield to every fretboard. Rigorously tested and designed to be used with power buffing wheels, power polishing pads, and other polishing systems. Our laser-etched logo and size will withstand sanding and filing during fretwork. Extremely useful for protecting all unfinished and finished fretboards, we even include a convenient hang hole.
For more videos on how to perform guitar setups or care for your frets, subscribe to our channel and visit musicnomadcare.com for all our products and how-to videos.